I did it. I got the multi chopper from Amazon. Let's see how it works. So it comes with a large dicer, small dicer, garnish, slicer, fine slicer, julienne, fine julienne, and grater. Okay, so it comes pretty much assembled. So it's like, this is the base. This is where your vegetable, fruit, whatever you're going to chop is gonna go in. And this is the top, and this is already in there. And this is what's gonna push onto the food. And I have a blade here already. So I am using like square. Okay, I'm gonna try it for the first time. Let's see. We're gonna try a tomato. Yeah, let's go. Let's see. And woo! Oh, this is not. Oh my gosh, look at that. Perfect. Oh wow. Okay, another one and boom, done. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be amazing. Okay, I got a cucumber. Let's see. I don't know how small or big I have to cut it. And boom. Oh my God, this is a great stress reliever. Oh, more cucumber. Look at this. I can do a salad in no time. Boom, done. Look at that. Ooh, these ones get stuck. Okay, let's see. I'm getting too excited here. Let's see. Done. Look, look, look at that. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's keep on cutting this cucumber. I think I'm gonna make it a little bit smaller so it doesn't get stuck. And look at that. Ready? Boom, done. Woo! More, let's see. The rest of the cucumber, done. Let's go for the red onion because I love a salad with the red onion. Gonna cut it in a quarter, just like that. And press. Boom, done. Woo! Another one, let's go. Done. And I wanna show you, this is amazing. This is a game changer. Don't tell me you can't cook. Don't tell me you cannot eat vegetables or salad. This is what you need. Look at this. Beautiful chopped salad. Look at that. Wow. You imagine for the holidays? We have so many people here for the holidays. And I just place it there. Let's try. Guess what this is? It's a radish. Who doesn't like radish in their salad? And you know that's hard. A radish is hard. Let's see. Ready? Boom, done. Ah, perfect. Another one. Let's get this beautiful radish out of their bag. Done. We are making a salad. I remember when the salads, you know, the chopped salads were in style. Remember that? When you went to the restaurant, they had like a full menu of chopped salads. I missed that. Done. Oh my gosh. Look at that. All the pieces in there. This radicchio, it's a type of lettuce. And it comes like that. So I don't know if this is going to be a good idea or not. Let's try. And maybe this is not a good idea. Okay, so this is a no. Okay, so let's see how we're gonna take this out. And another tomato. And boom, ready? Look at that, it's chopped. You wanna see that again? Let's do it again. Boom, chop. Here's another one, you ready? And slow motion, and it's gonna come down. And that's it. It's chopped.
So I also wanted to show you that it comes with this little gadget here. And what it does is, like, if anything gets stuck in between these holes, you can just take it off with this. I would not put this in that dishwasher. I would just rinse this by hand. I mean, it's simple enough to just rinse it. Until the next time.
And here's my beautiful salad. It's all chopped. All chopped. This is gonna take me like a couple of minutes to go through all these vegetables and chop it, and my salad is finished in no time, ready to eat, all chopped, bite sizes or smaller even. Perfect. Are you impressed or what? This is like the best thing ever. I cannot believe I never even realized that this was available on Amazon. It's $30. It got here in about 2 days. I would say start buying this or put it in your cart because the holidays are coming and this would be the perfect gift for all your people in college or the young people getting married or the people that always have an excuse that they cannot make a salad. Well, here you go. No more excuses. Make your salad, make your food with all the vegetables that you love. And that's it. This is a game changer. It cuts your time. I usually take a long time to make a salad because I love vegetables and I have to chop everything. But this will take me just a couple of minutes to do. Just have all your vegetables and chop, chop, chop. I can't wait to do this with, I'll try it with cheese. Wow, I had to come up with a recipe. Thank you for watching, and I will leave the link of this amazing item in the description below. Bye.